As bullet trains zoom through stations in many parts of China, the seemingly outdated, rumbling slow-speed trains have continued to serve residents of remote areas with stable ticket prices and services. Though home to the world's most developed high-speed railway network, China still regularly operates more than 80 slow train services. The trains running between Xinjiang's capital Urumqi and Hotan are typical examples. The whole journey of the trains is 1,960 kilometers, with 66 stops along the way. Since the train's operation in June 2011, the fares have remained affordable for locals. People adore taking the slow-speed trains to carry goods to markets, send children to schools, and head for megacities as migrant workers.
小班车的功性最重要是票价便宜，票价便宜，从和田到喀什票价50块钱，最便宜的和田到贸易直接5块钱的票，5块钱的票。别看我们这个小班车啊，有些站半个小时停一次站，你别看，比如说阿道站上1个人，我们就照样停，一样这个站，所以南疆老百姓出去来了个移动的方便。